All right, we do have a dense fog advisory in effect. Does not include Bexar County, but just to the south and east. So we've got a weather impact alert warning because of the dense fog to the south and east. So just make sure and pay attention out there on those roads. That's going to be until 9 o'clock. Dense fog advisory from Wilson County to Gonzales and then counties to the south and east down towards Victoria and to the coast. We're not going to be included in this dense fog advisory, but we will see some light fog, I think. All right, temperature right now is in the 60s, 67. The average low, 46. I'm expecting a high today, not as warm as yesterday. Mid-70s, low to mid-70s today, just depending on how long the clouds stay with us. I think they're going to be with us for a good part of the day, so a little bit cooler than yesterday. Record 97, my goodness, back in 1986. I believe 1986 yesterday, it was 96, so a little bit of a heat wave going on in the mid-80s. 96 and then 97 today. Record low 21, that was set back just last year, 2025. All right, let's take a look. This is what I'm expecting as you head out to the rodeo. Cloud cover this morning, lots of clouds will finally break out late in the afternoon. High temperature today only at about 74. If you're going out to the rodeo, you get cool easy. May want a little bit of a light jacket. All right, light fog, visibility at the airport 4 miles. There isn't any fog to the north and east, north and west, by the way. Stinson Airfield, 3 mile visibility. Lackland's at 5, and New Braunfels about 1.25 miles visibility there. Was down to 3/4. Okay, let's watch the progression of the fog so far this morning, and you'll notice most of it has stayed to the south and east, and I think that's going to continue to be the case. That's why the dense fog advisory is in effect for our southeastern counties. Watch out there. Temperature 67. We've got a north wind. That frontal boundary is just to our south, pretty much just right where that dense fog advisory starts. It is cooler across the hill country in the 50s, and it's warmer down to the south. Victoria's at 70 and George West coming in at 73. Here's where the frontal boundary is, right on top of us. Up to the north, it's making a big difference. I mean, look at Dallas-Fort Worth in the 40s if you're flying there this morning. If you're flying to Amarillo or Oklahoma City, hold on a minute. It's still winter. 28 degrees up there at Oklahoma City, and Amarillo is at 28, and most of the country to the north, it is colder. All right, continue to have my eyes on this upper level trough that's across the Rockies, dumping some snow across the Rockies. That'll move east. Frontal boundary, another frontal boundary comes in tomorrow, and then that'll cool us off for the Sunday and into the early part of next week. All right, for today, notice how the clouds just stay pretty tough all day. High temperature right around 74. Aquifer really didn't change a whole lot, 627.9, and Cedar is moderate. Molds are light. Ash is also light. Okay, tomorrow we'll see that another frontal boundary pushing through. It gets windy. Fire weather is going to be elevated. Do not burn outdoors on Saturday. High 77. Lows in the 40s Sunday morning, 42. 41 Monday morning. Tuesday morning down to 42. And highs in the 60s. That's it for Sunday and Monday. But we do rebound by the time we get to the end of next week. We've got more coming up after the break.